National Weather Service in Norman issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado 6 miles southeast of El Reno. Estimating the depth of the tornado will be 40 miles an hour. This is a tornado emergency. Take immediate tornadoes and options. In addition to the tornado, wind has been extremely